Hey there, it's Angela. Happy holidays. Here's a video. It's about Redshift and Blueshift and the expansion of the universe or something. So sorry, but this video could have been a lot better, but I'm a little sick, so I might sound weird. And also, I've been procrastinating, and it's currently like 10 at night on Christmas Eve. Also, I probably have no idea what I'm talking about. All I did was Google a bunch of stuff. So let's get started. Let's say there's a person standing somewhere. That person is us. Now let's say that there's an ambulance nearby and it's just making noise. Wee-oo. This noise is all of them sound waves just coming towards us, which we perceive as a certain pitch because it has a certain frequency or wavelength or whatever. Now let's say that the ambulance is moving away from us. The sound waves are all bunched up in the front and then the waves in the back are just longer, which is what we perceive. Because they have a lower frequency and a longer wavelength, we perceive this as a lower pitch compared to what it sounded like when it was still. This is called the Doppler effect. Now here's the Earth, and here's a star moving away from us. However, in this case, the waves aren't sound waves but waves of visible light. Since it's moving away from us, we see the light that has a little longer of a wavelength or lower frequency than it would usually have. And let's say there's another star, but it's moving towards us. It's basically the same thing as before, but we see the higher frequency part. Now let's look at the visible light part of the electromagnetic spectrum. Let's look at the color green. Now, things with a lower frequency seem to appear more red. Things with a higher frequency will see more blue. So, if our stars are showing off green light and it's moving away from Earth, we'd be seeing a redder color. And if it was moving towards us, it'd seem of a more bluer color, hence redshift and blueshift. Now there are a couple things that scientists use, but we'll just stick with one thing for this video since I'm too lazy. So let's talk Cepheid stars. These things pulsate at the same frequency as their true color. How scientists figured this out, I have no idea. Basically, they compare the rate that the stars pulsate to how they appear, and they've determined that these stars are moving away from us due to redshift and blueshift. Basically, they found that everything is moving away from everything else, and that means that the universe is expanding. So that's basically it.